Today we are going to show you how to use the conference call feature on the Flyingvoice phone when they are registered to the Yeastar PBX server. Conference call increase employee efficiency and productivity and provide a more cost-effective way to hold meetings. Firstly, we log into Yeastar PBX server's management page with the server's IP address. Then go to Settings, go to Call Features, go to Conference, click on Add, enter the conference number and the conference name. The participant password is optional. If the password is set, user needs to put the correct PIN to join this conference. Then move the corresponding extension to the conference room. Then click on Save. Now I can dial the conference number of each phone to participate in the conference call. We need to enter the conference PIN number if the phone is not in the conference group.
Please enter the conference PIN number. You are currently the only person in this conference.
Once they joined the conference, they can hear and talk to each other. Alright, that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe us to get more VIP knowledge.